Meaning of impropriety.
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 Impropriety. Impropriety refers to behavior that is not appropriate or violates established standards of conduct. It can refer to actions that are unethical, improper, or indecorous. Examples of impropriety include inappropriate touching, sexual harassment, conflict of interest, financial misconduct, and breach of confidentiality. The consequences of impropriety can range from social ostracism to legal penalties and even imprisonment. Organizations often have codes of conduct to prevent impropriety among their employees. Overall, impropriety is a breach of trust that can have serious consequences for both the individual and the community.